5 cybersecurity tips everyone should know. As fancy as cybersecurity sounds, you don't need a background in technology to prevent criminal use on your device. From cell phones one, and computers, cybersecurity has become increasingly important as more people rely on internet-connected devices. Cybersecurity is what protects your device from hackers and viruses and ensure confidentiality. As fancy as cybersecurity sounds, you don't need an extensive background in technology to prevent criminal use on your device. Here are 5 easy cybersecurity tips that everyone should follow. Number 1. Keep your software up to date. You might get impatient waiting for a software update to finish on your phone or laptop, but it's worth your time. Software updates often include new features and are used to strength- strengthen your your software's stability and enhance security. Since viruses are constantly changing, your device's software must also adjust to improve cybersecurity. When companies discover holes in their security, an update is one ideal way for them to prevent hackers from stealing data and others information from your device. So next time you're hesitant about entering a long update on a phone or personal computer, consider the risk of having outdated software. Create a strong password. One of the most common ways hackers break into computers and other devices by guessing the owner's password. When you create a strong password, your you can protect your cyber criminals gaining unauthorized access.